Hello, everybody. How's everybody doing this morning? I'm glad everybody's doing pretty good for today. I wanted to give you a little bit of update before I get to this video. Um, Yesterday, I didn't come out here to film because it was awfully raining, So when I woke up yesterday morning, I wanted I wanted to do my exercise in the living room because I just don't feel like staying in bed, staying the whole bed after this time, So so but for some reason I decided to get myself give give myself a relaxation for the whole day so I can just go back to being in better shape for this time being. All right. Anyway, that's it. I don't even need to worry about it for today. All right, guys, let's get to this video right now. Um, so there is a winter storm coming this weekend. So um, make sure you get your plants, pets, people inside the house. Make sure that everything needs to be inside the house because we don't want to wait for the last minute. So, as I recall last year's winter storm, uh, we had a few feet of snow over here because it was totally crazy out here. So you gotta make sure that you need to stay bundle up. Bundle up. Make sure that you wear your gloves this weekend because it's gonna get really blustery out here. All right. So plus I told my supervisor that he's gonna order it for me. So he already did. So it's ready by tomorrow. All right. So make sure that you put your hat on for work because I want your ears to be protected. All right. So just cause last year I took a lot of pictures while I was walking out there, and it was like, you know what, I just decided not to go outside of the snow, out of outside the snow and look at it. But by the time when I got out there, you know, I said to myself, come on, Chris, let's get outside. Take some pictures out here. So I did post some pictures on social media about, looking at the snow, I was like, man, you know what? It was just crazy. So, and yeah, and furthermore, I watched the news that, you know, that everybody was sledding at Herman Park. I'm so surprised. I was like deeply surprised when I saw that. I was like, man, you know what? I mean, this was the most beautiful moments that I ever seen before. Okay. All right. So anyway, so let's back to this topic. Um, so so I will be working this weekend. So I have to make sure that I gotta get my hat ready for work, because it's against the policy. Okay. So I'm gonna be wearing my gloves this Saturday, because I gotta be, because my hands needed to warm up some more, so it can stay much warmer. Okay. So, because luckily our lights didn't go out. It stayed on for good. So nothing ever happened, thankfully. All right. So back in 2021, ever since we had a snowstorm in this area, it's been like 3 to 4 days without any electricity, because there was going to be no TV, no internet, due to winter issues. All right. So make sure you need to have your put your have your flashlights with you. Your batteries, must be on, completely charged, before winter storms arrives. It's not like it's not like hurricane season. Okay. So you must be prepared for the worst yet to come. All right. So so do not worry. Stay strong. Everything's gonna be fine. All right. So remember that so when you come home from work, make sure that your hat is still on. So we got to do better than that. Okay. So Because remember that because we don't have nothing like that going on. But I do hope this year our lights will not be going out. Let's keep our fingers crossed. Okay? So, yeah. So, I watched the weather yesterday. So all they said everything must be in by tomorrow night. So we must have them ready. Okay? All right. So make sure you need to get everything taken care of. So we got to be on the rise. Okay? All right, guys. That is it for today. I just wanted to make sure that the cold weather is coming back. So make sure that you need to stay warm out here. Stay inside. Whatever you feel like you want, if you want to come out here, make sure that you put your jacket, your hat, and your gloves to keep you warm for the rest of the season. Okay? Well, anyway, yeah. So I hope we don't get any snow this year. So let's hope it works that way, so we can repeat it. Or it doesn't have to repeat that way. So let's see what happens this weekend. All right. So I hope you all have an amazing day today. Be safe this weekend, and we will talk about it afterwards on my next video. All right. Thank you so much for that. I hope you have enjoy the rest of your day, and peace and love to everyone.